Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the Next Move feature on your Motorola Razr Fold. Next Move feature scans your screen and then suggests what you may want to do with it. I think that's a great feature because it can do things for you without you needing to think how to do something and what to do exactly. Let's go to, for example, a hotel. A hotel in a Booking.com website. And then let's try to scan it. So I'll need to press and hold on the AI key, which is right here. And then it'll start scanning. In a moment, it'll suggest me actions. And it could summarize it, generate an image, or save it as a memory, or create a sticker. What I'll do is I'll save memory, which means I'll use the it'll use the remember this feature, which remembers an image and text. It automatically does does everything. So I'll save it, and now you can see it is processing it. And now let's try using it by simply pressing and holding. Now I'll use the other feature, which is remember this, and I'll ask it what's the Copenhagen hotel address? And it'll try finding the address. Let's see if it does.
The Hotel Copenhagen is located at Egilsgade 33, 2300 Copenhagen S.
No, I don't think that's what's the address of the hotel in Copenhagen I have saved in memory?
The address of the hotel in Copenhagen.
Now it was correct, and it has even given me the picture with the address written on it. So that's how you can do it, but you could do it for anything else. For example, if I open an article, I can press and hold on the AI key, and then it'll scan. And now I can, for example, summarize it. It's just me, the summary. And you can see it summarizes everything so that it can be read, and that is basically it for this video. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.